here comes that truck again. You guys get out of the water. These guys are having fun. I got that whole thing on video. Yeah, both of them come and splash.